我終於忍唔住喊咗。
我都真係最 stress 呢樣嘢嘅，係咪有種世外桃源嘅感覺呢？完全混合晒所有你噏得出嘅傳統文化。呢 last word 知唔知咩叫開心？你結婚前都可以食到呢啲嘢，真係唔靈啦！分開一齊瞓。
我都已經有少少唔捨得，我都
Just wanting to get everything prepared.
而家係下晝嘅4、5點鐘啦，我哋準備出發去雙魚河啦。就係我哋嘅嗰邊，呢度係物資部嗰邊。Elmo 都跟埋一齊去慶祝，因為佢係喜慶顏色。Last 20 hours, less than.
How do you feel? We're almost there.
Almost there. 我 final check 一次先有冇漏嘢。我應該其實我已經 check 咗1萬次啦，但係都硬係覺得好似會有漏嘢。我都相信一個 wedding 有咁多細節點都會有少少突發嘢會發生。所以我聽日只會躺平 relax。而家我哋等緊阿 Dan 嘅細路阿 Mike 上嚟車我哋去場地啦。至翻到嚟我哋就會係夫妻嘅身份。大家睇下入面係咁嘅狀況。唔係，try to fit it。好 nice。但係咧，好彩嘅地方就係咧，哇！呢個星期個天係好到爆，你見唔見到個天係幾藍？萬里無雲，因為上個星期係成個禮拜都烏雲密布落雨啦，咁所以起碼我其中一樣最擔心嘅嘢咧，終於冇發生啦。今朝咧我經歷咗3日咁樣咯。首先咧，我今朝早仲再去 fix 我自己嗰條裙啦，然之後喺 fix 裙嘅中途咧，我要坐喺個婚紗鋪頭嗰度咧，同我啲伴娘喺度開一個 Zoom meeting 啦，跟住仲有好多細節係要 catch 咯。本身咧我諗住，都唔係好長嘅啫，但係原來 last 嘅24小時係咁地獄。你睇下佢戴緊2副眼鏡。Oh, we're here finally.
We're back here.
加油加油！就係我哋聽日晚宴嘅環境幾清幽。Oh my god! I think this is where we stay. Kinda nice. 係咪有種世外桃源嘅感覺咧 ？Okay, so this is the suite。聽日出門咧就喺呢一度啦。呢度係嗰間房。哇，都好大喎呢個 area。黐線，喂，呢個仲大過 King 喎，呢個勁環咯。They combine 2 beds。哦，actually this is our banquet area。
Oh yes, it is。
係喎，聽日就喺呢度發生啦。陣間我哋可以落去 rehearse 一下我哋嘅 first dance。咁咧，除咗我哋間 suite 之外咧，我哋都連續 book 咗3間房，係俾屋企人同埋姊妹住噶啦。而家睇埋佢哋嘅房係點先。Oh, it's quite decent as well. The toilet is so big.
Oh, you have a really nice room.
I know. They also have a crazy long bed.
Yeah.
而家分工合作，然後呢度就喺度寫緊呢個 seating plan，我冇時間寫。
哇！
睇下啲字靚唔靚先。
哇！
呢個係 O 定 U 嚟㗎
W。
好靚啊！呢度果然係做開手作。呢度咧就係我哋嘅報紙啦。我想俾大家睇下呢個報紙，呢個係頭條。呢度就係我哋嘅有趣 fact。呢個就係當日嘅流程，呢度仲有啲小遊戲。而家呢，我哋就要去踩台，咁呢度就係晚宴嘅 area 啦。我哋就試下究竟着住呢隻鞋會係點嘅咧？成個 wedding 啦，我自己最擔心，亦都係最期待咧，就係跳舞嗰 part 啦。因為我都真係幾進取嘅，排得好密啦，真係飛天遁地啦。跟住咧條裙又自己整喎，咁所以去到今日真係 last 嘅最後幾個鐘咧，我都真係最 stress 呢樣嘢嘅。咁今日咧，如果試完隻鞋冇問題嘅話咧，我相信我會放心好多。哇！佢已經幫我哋 set 晒啲台啦。我哋聽日係會咁樣4張長台連住。我哋而家咧好似早餐咁， 咁其實我哋都係問咗當地嘅職員啦，咁佢係話我哋可以喺度自己行嚟行去，唔播音樂嘅情況下踩台嘅。當初好驚落雨啦，同埋啲假嘅草地咧，唔知道會唔會影響到跳舞轉圈啦。即係你知我喺呢方面好執着啦。咁但係咧，而家踩完之後發覺係非常之 solid，同埋聽日唔會落雨。咁所以而家就試下可唔可以唔着平底鞋，着對真嘅有踭高踭鞋，咁就會靚好多。Oh, that's actually okay。因為跳舞容易甩啦，所以咧就加咗呢啲好似 bra 帶嘅透明扣咧，咁就可以箍實咗成隻鞋啦，咁就可以。經過咗一輪嘅搏鬥之後呢，而家已經係12點半啦。我哋仲未剪完呢一個成長片段啦，跟住而家呢，仲寫緊啲利是啦，妝又未卸，頭又未洗啦，仲要未寫聽日個 thank you speech。但係呢，今日呢係見證到我哋劉家最齊心嘅一行啦，因為大家喺呢個位呢度尺度咗超耐啦。即係 make sure 呢佢係正中間啦，而大家真係將呢度 decorate 得超級靚。即係本身我係咁同佢哋講話，你哋瞓覺啦，大家都好認真。譬如話呢一條線咧，哇！黐完之後咧，成間屋立體咗勁多咯。原來呢一啲咧係要 pre-order 定幾條嘅，因為咧係好容易斷嘅。咁通常啲人會有幾條做試俾斷完之後再貼啦。咁但係 so far 呢個都 OK 係咪？睇唔出。仲哇！我家姐每一朵花都用咗3個字嚟接，哇！接到真係好靚，呢個位好靚。跟住呢度咧就係我哋斟茶嘅位啦。而呢個人咧就好努力咁樣剪緊呢個成長片段啦，係咁揾啲 footage。今晚咧我哋就係會分開，唔一齊瞓。咁我就同家姐喺呢間房度瞓。What? Why are you sad?
Not that crazy, I guess.
Yeah, we're still seeing each other right now. Like if I sleep right now, I have 7 hours to sleep. But
That's quite a lot.
what do you mean? I need to remove makeup. We need to prepare for the speech. We need to finish this and all the rap podcast
done.
situation. Are you done?
Basically.
No way.
Yeah. Yeah, not bad, right? You're quite impressed now.
I think people can tell which part is edited by me, which part is yours.
Wow, if you
It's
say
just
that,
very obvious.
已經開始有種想昏迷嘅感覺，因為我唔會包到啲吉利是啦，已經好認真睇啦。你知唔知我哋今次呢個婚禮呢，其實係完全混合晒所有你噏得出嘅傳統文化入面，有啲係港式文化，有啲中式，有啲韓式，有啲西式，都已經係大雜燴。我都唔知自己做緊啲乜嘢，但係我覺得幾分嘅，因為結婚其實唔使有一個固定嘅 standard， 只要你開心，屋企人 OK 咁就 OK 嘅。咁呢，另外今次我哋嘅 MC 呢，糾結咗好咯，究竟要揾一啲專業嘅婚禮 MC 啊，定係揾朋友啦？咁最後呢，就揾到2位非常之好嘅朋友，肯幫我哋做雙語嘅 MC， 我覺得咁樣係令到成個 wedding 係更加有親切感，同埋更加 close 啦。跟住我哋諗緊啊，除咗即係俾利是之外，可以買啲咩禮物多謝呢2位嘅朋友呢？咁最後呢，我哋就決定買一啲工作坊嘅 voucher。咁呢個呢，係整一啲木嘅花樽，咁唔係太 intensive， 即係2個幾鐘，同埋買咗2 set for 佢哋各自同自己嘅老公或者男女朋友啦。咁我覺得好 sweet， 因為呢個係 wedding 嘅禮物嚟㗎嘛，咁所以亦都會係有啲更加關於關係嘅象徵意義喺入面。咁所以呢，我而家就入埋個信封入面啦。Yes。
Celebrate the next chapter of their story. Ladies and gentlemen, for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Han.
Oh my god, background music.
Yeah. Classic.
Okay, bye bye. See you tomorrow.
One last kiss.
What do you mean one last kiss?
Before we're married.
Any last word?
If I use my words now, that I'm not gonna have any words to say tomorrow. I feel like I need to save as many emotions as possible. But I'm excited.
Excited, nervous, anxious, anything.
Zero nervousness or anxiousness. Just wanting to get everything prepared. I'm excited. Super excited.
Sorry。
Yeah. There's something out of here.
我哋拎嚟垃圾食物，6 hours before the wedding。
快啲！
除婚嗰刻同除 bride 一樣咁開心。其實咧，我哋由訂婚去到結婚咧，都已經橫跨咗2年多啲啦。但係頭1年咧，其實我哋係完全乜都冇做過嘅。去到第2年先至覺得，唉，大鑊啦，係咪真係要 move on 咧？咁樣，因為我哋都好想有小朋友啦，好多嘢都係慢慢嚟，慢慢 chill 啦。但係去到呢個禮拜咧，係真係好地獄嘅，即係搞呢個 wedding 我都係冇喊過啦。但係去到今日嘅下晝咧，我終於忍唔住喊咗，而我真係嗰刻係真係好需要解壓啦。然之後咧，我就報復式咁樣係咁瘋狂食垃圾食物啦，因為我平時好中意食垃圾食物噶嘛。咁但係呢個 wedding 咧，我都忍咗個幾月唔食嗰啲魚蛋啦、辣嘢、公仔麵啦，因為我頭先係一口氣食咗幾十粒魚蛋啦，再食雞蛋仔啦，再飲咗杯沸水啦，跟住嗰刻我覺得哇舒暢。不過咧，去到而家真係尾聲咧，我都已經有少少唔捨得，我都未開始個 wedding 就唔捨得，因為我知道好似搞咗咁耐嘅一個 party 啦，咦，原來噏一聲就完咗咯，而家百感交集。係我啦，我呢個位嘅暗粒咧，哇！今日食完啲垃圾食物，即刻焗暗咗係即刻咯，幾得意我個 skincare 袋。時間剛剛好，我沖完涼啲嘢食就冇咗啦。太黐線啦呢樣嘢！西瓜汁、雪花冰、車仔麵、蒜香雞翼尖，可能我聽日就後悔啦。初咧咁樣食一食，聽日肯定咧爆到冚冚聲，唔理咯。我而家完全係暴走，真係唔理咯。知唔知咩叫開心啊？就係結婚前都可以食到呢啲嘢，哇！人生圓滿了。呢個蜜桃 ，it's excessively big. This is our last meal before actually getting married. 其實唔搞呢個 wedding 咧，我都唔知自己係一個幾執着同埋幾 stubborn 嘅一個人咯。因為每一樣嘢咧，我都諗住，唉唔搞啦，唔理啦。但係最後咧，我都會攬晒上身 ，micromanage 身邊嘅所有人去做好多唔同嘅嘢啦。但係有啲其實根本我係唔使 care 嘅，譬如話屋企人去染唔染頭髮咧，我係可以有得去決定啦。或者其實我根本唔使幫佢 book 啦，但係我就好執着，一定要幫佢哋 book 到 salon 啦，幫佢哋做晒所有 tiny bit 嘅 details 啦。跟住其實去到最後就會令到自己好辛苦咯。搞結婚嘅過來人。有時候都有呢啲感受係咪？咁我覺得都係 part of the learning。跟住去到最後咧，有種好內耗嘅感覺啦。因為點解好似做極都好似仲有嘢做極都唔好嘅，但係 eventually 其實嗰個心魔係自己俾自己。咁咧，我哋今日條片就差唔多啦。呢個係我哋最後一條做男女朋友身份拍嘅片。我哋聽日順順利利，最緊要係唔好有水腫。even 食咗呢啲嘢，唔會生暗瘡，跟住所有嘢都好 smooth，跟住我就靚爆鏡，跟住大家都好開開心心，耶！大家就等我另外一條嘅 wedding vlog 咯。咁如果你中意呢條片嘅話咧，就俾個 like 我哋啦。我哋就下條片再見啦，拜拜。
Boy.